Hey guys, Matt here. Today's hiking adventure brings me to Ocklawaha Prairie Restoration Area. And this exact spot is known as the Chernobyl Memorial Forest. And it's it's only around a little under 5 mile loop. But I thought it was kind of interesting because you're thinking the name of it and you're like, what the heck is this doing in Florida? But this was actually designated, that became to be in March of '96, about 10-year anniversary of the Chernobyl nuclear accident, 1986, near present-day Ukraine. And this is a memorial forest to honor all those that lost their lives and stuff involved with the nuclear accident. And I guess it was used money by the American Forest Relief Program in cooperation with the Chernobyl Committee of Washington, D.C. and the St. John's Water Management District. I guess what they did is, this is a 314-acre area. They planted it in longleaf pines, and to symbolize rebirth, relife, and restoration. So I thought that was pretty cool. A nice little memorial, and it's nice, nice little area and stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. I just learned about that, and I've seen it on a map before, but I kind of wondered about it, so I thought I might as well check it out since I didn't have time to drive and do a longer hike today. So thought this would be all right. Pretty nice day now. It rained earlier, but it's still kind of warm and humid. So, all right, guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm about 2.5 miles down the trail. It's going pretty nice. When I first started, it was real warm and humid, but kind of sun went in clouds and a little breeze started, so it's not too bad now. Been hearing rumbles of thunder in the background, but I looked at the radar. It looks like the big stuff's gonna miss me to the north of me, so I should be all right, except for maybe a few sprinkles on the outer edges. But it's pretty nice. It's almost like, I think horses can ride on this too, and kind of open, almost like a little grassy road, but still nice. You got all those longleaf pines in the center, and it always amazes me when I first moved to Florida, seeing some of these that are all like perfectly in a row and you can see down it. So it's always pretty cool. But it's been pretty nice views, nice like big oaks and stuff on the edges, and then all the skinny pines in the middle of it. It's been pretty good. A lot of those little biting flies getting at my legs. But other than that, it's not too bad. So, alright guys, I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. Well, I made it back. It was just about 4.25 miles and just took over about 2 hours. Overall, it was a real nice hike. You know, it was a real nice loop. It was a little short, but sometimes it's nice to have those little short ones. Plus it rained a lot earlier and I didn't want to go out, so I waited till after it quit. So this was a good one. It wasn't too far away. So it was nice views. You know, I got some drone shots, and they're nice, the pines in the middle, and then a lot of the big oaks on the outside of it and stuff like that. Still rumbling and stuff. I didn't get any raindrops on me, so that was good. But there's a couple, you know, little off trails I didn't get to check out, but I'll probably come back here some other time and try to check them out. So this was the Chernobyl Memorial Forest Loop Trail here in Ocklawaha Prairie Conservation Area near Ocklawaha. So, well, as always, I thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I should love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have anything for me, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll make sure to get back to you. So this is Matt signing off. I'll see you next time. All right, thanks guys.